What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy JayJay the Barber back with another haircut tutorial. This is like a taper fade, but it's gonna be shorter on the sides. So I don't really know what you want to call this haircut. Maybe like a drop taper fade or something like that. But we're gonna be blending the sides down into the tapers. So right now we're just taking the one guard open and we're gonna go make a guideline as if we're doing a drop fade. I like using the one guard open, particularly on him, because I think it fits him well. Sometimes on other clients I like to use the zero guard or the half guard and make the guideline like that too, get it a little shorter. So basically we're just gonna make this guideline, then we're gonna blend this one out. We're just gonna blend it out with the 1.5 guard open, 1.5 guard close, and then go back to the one open to blend out that last line. And you'll see here, sometimes you might have to use the 2 guard. On one of these sides I used the 2 guard, but the other side I just kind of blended in smoothly. I didn't need to use the 2 guard. But yeah, just go ahead and watch some of my techniques. Sometimes I'll be going down with the grain of the hair. Like right here, this is the 1.5 guard close. And yeah, we're just gonna work that line out. So now we're getting ready to line them up. I like to set this taper first, this little bald line first, so I can see where the end of the fade will be when I line them up, so that it will match on both sides. Same thing on the other side. Bald them out. Okay, so now right here I'm taking the front hair, just a few hairs in the front, and I'm combing those down. Sorry you can't really see, but now you know I'm combing those down. Then I got the one guard open, and I'm just knocking it down, laying it down. Just the hairs in the front, and those are the hairs that I'm going to be lining up. Okay, so when I'm tapering, what I'm doing, I got the guard open right here, right? Then I'm gonna close the lever just a little bit and blend it down some more. Then I'm gonna close it all the way and then blend it out all the way. Okay, and then I'll get my trimmers and get that last line out. So I'm closing the lever 2 times, and I do that when I have no guard on the clipper, and I do that with the half guard or the 0 guard. Once I get to the 1 guard and up, usually I just go straight to close, and I'm still flicking out, and I'm using the corners of my blade. Also, when I'm setting in these guidelines, I'm also just using the corner of my blade, because when you use the corner of your blade, you can get more detailed in your line, and it just makes for the haircut to come out a lot better.
Play.
Okay, and right here in the back is the same steps. We're gonna finish off blending in that top part, and then we're gonna put the taper in there just like we did on the sides.
again.
Then we're just going to razor them up. Make sure you stretch the skin in the opposite direction that you're going, you know what I mean? And this is what's gonna make it sharp. Like you'll see right here that how the side is gonna become sharp. You know what I mean? Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at JayJay96. Baby, hope you guys enjoyed the cut. Remember, haircut tutorials every Thursday. So tune in every Thursday for a new haircut tutorial, y'all. Peace.
Once again.